Okay, so this is the, guess would be the south entrance to the Anza College right here. I think I'm going to cruise in there. What the heck? Clear. I know they've made a few changes to this campus over the last 30 or 40 years since last time I was in here. I think it was probably the 1980s or something when I used to live here. I think they had tennis courts or something in here. Bit of a breeze today. I'm definitely got a headwind. That's all new. Looks like a parking structure. Let's see what's going on with. I think they got solar or something on top of these. On these covers here over the cars. I wonder what percentage of their students are just online and how many actually physically come to class. I guess this must be physical education here. PE1. Yeah, looks like maybe a gym or something in there. Admin building. Science lecture halls. This is just a community college. Foreign design and manufacturing in here. This is the little perimeter road here. Math, science, and technology. Math, lots of fun. Flint Center. So they had a venue here where they had performances and lectures and stuff. That's Media and Learning Center. I don't know what that is. Another parking garage. And looks like a lot of construction going on here. I think that's where the Flint Center was. So I wonder what they have in the media center. I guess probably computers and where they can do all their online research and stuff. Oh, I can't go any further really. Oh yeah, I can. I'll just slip through here. Oh, nope, maybe not. Let's see what this is. Oh, we got stairs there. More stairs. Guess I have to. Bicycle accessible. That's always good. So that's the front side of the admin building. So what? Campus Center. Financial aid. Gee, maybe I should go in there. Maybe they'll give me money. Give me some aid. Oh, can't go through there. Do. messy with the wind, I guess, blowing crap all over the place. Don't know what building that is. Another parking lot with solar panels. Oh, we got multicultural center. Not really that much to see in here, I don't think. Policia. La Policia. Checking everybody's parking permits in the parking lot, I guess. Registration and student bookstore. Oh. Yep. Instrument music. Yeah, I think that's where the front center used to be. It's gone bye-bye. Another parking lot. So this would be the north side. Museum. Visual and performing arts, I guess, actually. So, bookstore. Nobody coming. take the perimeter road here, go straight. I think it's clear, pretty clear enough. Another parking structure. I think we were just here, so let me turn around. Well, that goes in. So it just turns this way. You don't have much of a choice unless I take this thing here, slip through there. Because I know this road goes around to the west side. Is this only one way? Huh. I guess so. Let's go. We'll just sneak over this way. Get over here, out of the way of the cars. That's the freeway down there. So they have definitely changed this. Not what I recall. And then it starts up as a two-way thing again, I guess, unless you cut through that way. Oh well. That's quite a speed bump there. Central Cooling Tower Plant. Don't know if we went through here. Yeah, we'll take a quick shot through here. Everything's pretty much looking the same right now at this point, so we got stairs. Oh, this is interesting. I'm gonna guess that must be science. Another parking lot. Lots of parking lots, I think. Seems like, well, it must be an auto shop or something there. Wow. Oh, wow. Even more cars in there. Huh. Oh, that's cool. Let's get back on this road. Yeah, I think they got almost as much parking lot as they do classrooms. Seems like automotive technology. Can't tell what's behind that fence. Boy, that freeway is a lot of noise. Wouldn't want to live next to a freeway, that's for sure. Or anywhere really close to one. Yeah, years ago they had tennis courts and stuff in there. Back on the south side here. Well, they got something here. Tennis courts are definitely gone. Well, they got a track. See if we can get close to that. Pull in here. It's all fenced off, maybe for construction. Smoke-free campus, well that's good. Environmental studies. The Kirsch Center. They used to have a park course here with various workout stations and stuff around the place. Guess they did away with that. And what is going on here? Looks like mostly construction. I'm going to turn around here, check this out. What is going in there? Is that another parking lot? Could be, I don't know. Hard to tell. You got team sports over here, looks like. Soccer. That's cool. Hello. Okay. Let's try to go back through here, take another loop through here, see if we missed anything. I think we pretty much covered it, but just double check here. Probably be another 40 years before I come out here again. Yeah, we were here. Oh, squirrel. Let's see what we can do here. Tennis courts in there. I think they moved them. I think they were closer to the street last time. I could be wrong, but nice field, turf. They got turf on the field. Baseball diamond there. Looks pretty decent. That's the track. Hard to see with the fence. Yeah, let's turn around here. Yeah, I can't really see through this fence. Kind of hard to see. Okay. I got some more buildings out here. I wonder what these are. Okay, so that pretty much does it for the Anza College.